Hello guys, how is everyone doing? So today I am going to make a video of how I use blender to make peanut butter, or you can also call it granules. You can also call it granite paste. So today as you can see, I have my blender and everything ready, and I've already blended some of them already. So before you start, make sure your blender is dry, clean it up, and maybe put it in the sunlight for it to dry completely, because you are going to keep the peanut butter for a very long time, so you don't want it to spoil. So now I have my peanuts ready, and I'm going to pour it into the blender. But before then, you cannot blend it just like that, because you might end up putting so much pressure on the blender. So what I did was to add a little bit of oil, olive oil. You can add any oil that you use to cook. Add a little bit. You know how we blend pepper and stuff and we add water? This is the same method, but this time around I'm using oil to prevent it from spoiling. You cannot add water. Don't let water touch it at all, if not it will spoil. So right now I have three types of controls that I have on the blender. The first one is to just break it into two pieces, and the second one is to make it a bit smoother. Then the last one is smooth it out completely. So that is what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to turn the first one to break the peanut into smaller pieces. So I'll wait for a while, shake it and get it to the bottom so everything can break quickly. So now I'm going to turn to the second part of it. The second part of it will smooth it out a bit. You see, as you can see, it's smoothing out a bit. So right now what I have to do, I have to wait for a while again, and then turn to the third one. So after the third one, we have to wait for a while, then we bring it out of. So as you can see, I'm showing you how smooth it's looking. You don't have to always buy it from online. You don't know what they mix in there. So make sure you prepare your own at home. And if you feel like anytime you want to use it, if you feel like it's not really smooth, just add a little bit of something, like a little bit of oil to blend it again before you use to prepare your soup. Thank you so much.